care. I don't want to play with you.
I don't really play with dolls, man.
You want to play?
I don't.
You can be.
You want to play? Let's play.
I want to play with Will for a while. Play with Snowbell.
You want to play a game? We're gonna play hopscotch, like we play every day.
I don't play anymore.
Bill, you want to play ping pong?
I kind of do, yeah.
Hey, Tony. You play football or what?
Let's play a game. I'm thinking of a movie.
I like to play the games, too.
I've always wanted to play the flute.
The lute play the flute, the cop play the hop, the place play the bass, and the sound and sharp, the bass play the brass, the chub play the top.
What instrument do you play?
The flute.
Limbo and play rave music.
Wait, I don't play guitar.
My guitar?
Yes?
My prized, beloved guitar?
Music, it's not just in me, it is me. When life gets me down, I play my guitar.
But I'd love to finally play piano for you.
Cool, like Alicia Keys.
I'll play and you sing.
Sounds great.
Jerry Lee Lewis.
That's it. You shake my nerves and you rattle my brain. Something, 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 something insane.
Goodness gracious, great balls of fire! You don't have to sing the piano part, I'm playing it.